Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Glenn Drake. We're going to do a PowerPoint presentation on Unit 10, which is going to be workplace skills, schools to career, and our title is going to be employability skills. While there will always be job-specific skills that an employer is looking for, most employers will also want you to have some general skills. These general job skills are called employability skills. Having employability skills can help you get a job. They can also help you stay in a job and work your way to the top. If you score a job interview, chances are you'll be asked questions about your job-specific skills and your employability skills. Generally speaking, there are 8 general skills that employers want you to have, no matter what industry you're working in. First skill is communication. The second skill is teamwork. The third skill is problem solving. The fourth skill is initiative and enterprise. The fifth skill is planning and organizing. The sixth skill is self-management. The seventh skill is learning. And your eighth and final skill is technology. Okay, our first skill is communication. Depending on the job, communication is about being a good talker or a good writer. It involves being confident about speaking to people, whether it's face-to-face or over the phone. It also involves writing well enough to be understood in emails and memos. Example ways that you can develop your communication skills includes writing assignments and reports as part of your studies, blogging or using social media, making oral presentations as part of your classwork, working in customer service, whether it's face-to-face or over the phone, and volunteering to host a community radio program. Okay, our second skill is going to be teamwork. Teamwork means being good at working with people, both the people you work with and the other people that come into constant contact with your organization. Example ways you can develop or improve your problem-solving skills include doing research assignments as part of your studies, dealing with complaints at your workplace, doing a study skill course that looks at problem solving, talking to other people about how they solve their problem which they have faced. Okay, our third skill is problem solving. Problem solving is about being able to find solutions when faced with difficulties or setbacks. Even if you can't think of a solution right away, you need to have a logical process for figuring things out. Example ways you can develop or improve your problem solving skills includes doing research assignments as part of your studies, dealing with complaints at your workplace, doing a study skill course that looks at problem solving, talking to other people about how they solve the problems in which they have faced. Okay, our next skill is going to be initiative and enterprise. Initiative and enterprise are about being able to think creatively and make improvements on the way things are. They're also about looking at the bigger picture and how the way things, your work fit into that. Example ways you can develop and improve your initiative and enterprise skills includes approaching organizations and businesses about work, placements or internships, setting up your own community organizations or business, making or proposing changes to the way a group you or belong to does things. Okay, our next skill is going to be planning and organizing. Planning and organizing about things like working out what is required to get a job done, and then working out when and how you're doing it. They're also about things like developing project timelines and meeting deadlines. Example ways you can develop and improve your planning and organizing skills includes developing a study timeline and sticking to it. Organize some independent travel. Managing your time around work, study, and family. Doing chores regular around your home. Okay, our sixth one, communication skill, is self-management. Self-management is about getting on with your work without someone having to check on you every 5 minutes. You should be able to stay on top of your own deadlines and be able to delegate tasks to other people and make sure things are done on time. Example ways that you can develop and improve your self-management skills includes doing a work experience placement or internship, asking for new responsibilities at work, developing a study schedule and sticking to it, join a volunteer organization. Okay, our seventh skill is going to be learning. Learning is about wanting to understand new things and being able to pick up on them quickly. It's also about being able to take on new tasks and adapt when the way things are done in the workplace change. Example ways to develop and improve your learning skills include doing a short course or online courses, doing some research into learning skills and learner types, starting a new hobby, join a sport or volunteer group. And our eighth and final skill is going to be technology. General technology skills, the employer wants to include things like being able to use a computer for word processing and sending email, or knowing how to use a photocopy. Some more specific technology skills relate to software like using social media, working with design or video editing software, or knowing programming languages. Other technology skills relate to hardware, like for instance, knowing how to use EFT POS, a cash register, a photocopier or scanner, a camera recording studio. Example ways to develop and improve your technology skills includes doing a short course or an online course, asking for extra training at work, find out what technology is used in the job you want, and research its use. Identifying the technology you are already using in your day-to-day life. Now you've identified the employability skills that you have and ways you can improve them. You're all set to use them in your job applications. To find out more about applying for jobs, including how to write a resume or cover letter, check out our Applying for Jobs pages. For more information about the job seeking process, you can also check out our How to Find a Job and Job Interview section. Okay, that's my presentation for today. Are there any questions? Okay, well, thank you for joining me. Thank you for your time. You all have a blessed day, and you all are dismissed. Thank you.